That's a seagull, right?
Ayun na siya pa.
We are in the Golden Gate Bridge already. Say hi.
Hi po!
Magnakasloob po akong mag-skirt today. Tapos tama naman. Hindi naman malamig. It's also kind of hot. Which is slowly showing itself. So, hindi po namin nakita yung Golden Gate Bridge. Kasi, tignan mo naman. Ano ba naman yan? Ha? Yung unahan lang yung nakita namin. Tapos yung paa. It's too foggy today to see the bridge. There's the Golden Gate Bridge. There's the Alcatraz. So, dyan po kami ikukulong ni Chi.
Naiya ako!
Hi, Chi.
Baka na.
Hi. We got back to our dorm. And then, girl, sobrang lakad namin sa Golden Gate. Ang haba lang yung lakad namin. So, pagod ako. So, I just lied down. And then now, I'm hungry. Because even though I have snacks there sa dorm, parang hindi siya nakakabusog kasi it's puro sweets. So now, I'm gonna buy some bread, I think. Or get some ulam na lang for tonight. Okay. I didn't end up getting kind of like grocery or like bread or meal kasi it was closed. So I got this yogurt because it seems yummy, and then coffee. It's so yummy. Do you have guidance from me? Come on. Welcome to the church. Look at how pretty the church is. Hi! So, we finished sa church now. And we're gonna go downtown. So, please pray for us because I think that's it, right? The 5-1?
Yeah, I think this one.
Yeah. We're gonna go to downtown and it's dangerous down there. So, we're scared.
This is our first transportation.
Without any guidance from
Without any
anyone.
guidance. Yeah, we're so scared. Because we have to walk.
We're really scared.
Nag-comment sila more chi features na.
Oh.
Oh, ito na.
Ito na. Ayun o.
This is my last day.
Mommy!
This is my last day.
Pakidelete na lang photos ko. We're in dollar store. Kasi wala po kaming pera. So sa dollar store kami napunta.
Basta tatakot na ako talaga. Tingnan niyo yung bag ko pang Victoria na.
I don't think I can buy anything. Do you have plancha?
I do.
Ah, meron
steam
ka?
here.
Okay, I'll just borrow.
Yeah.
Kasi ayoko nang bumili.
Ito oh. Scented candle na hindi ko naman kailangan.
Oh, hindi mo kailangan. Oh, halika na. We're walking, we're scared.
Downtown Kinalagada ng QC.
Takot na kami. Ang layo pa na lakarin namin. It's actually so hot here. Like, Philippine hot. Hindi man. Okay ba? May malamig pa ring hangin, pero it's not that cold anymore. Malamig lang sa USF kasi nasa, hilltop. Yeah! We're finally in Ross. So we're gonna check out some
How much is this?
winter for the cold. Okay, tapos na po kami sa Ross. Ang nagasto ko today, $77. Ang ganda ng view. McDo in the US. So they don't have chicken like with rice. But look how big it is. Ito ang sarap. What do you think of the nuggets?
Girl, parehas lang sa Pinas.
Ay, well?
Hindi, mas crispy.
Mas gusto mo?
Ito.
Fries! Look at the flowers outside the library.
More information. Like, what month did you get married?
June. We had a June wedding.
He moved there for business.
Our beach lunch. On the way to the beach. Init today. I love it. Kahit mainit, di kami pinapawisan.
Faking it like Ringo, dancing like it's tango. I'm in over my head, over my head.
Look how pretty. And I find, kita na po namin ang Golden Gate Bridge. Finally.
Uwi na kami.
Okay na, nakita na po namin. Pwede na umuwi. This is what we're eating for our lunch. And it's really hot here, but I love it. I love it. Si anong feeling na nasa beach, nag-aaral?
Ayan mo na.
Hello, ang ganda na ang araw here, which na-miss namin ni Chi. Pero ano, ang pangit ng beach. Nagreklamo! Parang di kasing ganda sa sa Pilipinas. At kita yung Golden Gate Bridge here. Look at the Golden Gate Bridge! Uuwi na po kami kasi di na namin kaya. Napagod na kami. Uwi na. Uwi na. Bye! So, magbabay ka na. Bye!